You know, it takes a lot of strength. It's like, I feel like Star Wars, you know. I feel like there's Luke, and then there's Darth Vader. And Darth Vader's like, come over to the dark side, you know. Because you could fuck motherfuckers up. Fuck up their shit. You see what I'm saying? I mean, I swear to God, I mean, if they had a law where you can actually just go in a ring, I'd like to take each and every, I mean, just one. I even take two of them motherfucking bitches up. See what I'm saying? My fat ass, I'll be diving on them, squishing the living daylights out of them, punching them motherfuckers in the head. You see what I'm saying? Because I've hated CPS a lot. Some of the movies I've seen, you know, because it expresses my hate. Like I saw a movie called The Crazies. You know, you heard about that fucking movie, The Crazies. Well, let me tell you something. I was hating CPS so much that week that I wish I could have done that to them. I'm not saying that I would do something like that to them, but I had felt in my heart that I can actually do that with no problems at all. Because this is the only thing that I have inside is this fucking hate for them and this total disrespect for them. And I saw this movie called Wanted, you know, with Angelica Jolie. And, you know, at the end of the movie, it said, kill them all and let fate sort it out later. That's the way I felt about CPS. This is how much I hate motherfucking CPS. You know what I mean? It's like, I saw that movie called Legion, you know, and it was really scary. And all the zombies were getting shot. You know, I kept thinking to myself, CPS, boom, 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 CPS, pop, 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 right in the motherfucking head. See what I'm saying? Rip out that motherfucking heart. You know what I mean? Because I hate your guts. I hate you. I saw Ninja Assassin. I thought, hey, I'd like to kill all you motherfuckers. But you know what? That's not a threat. I hate your guts. I'm just saying in my mind, I hate you. I've never hurt a fly. I've never hurt anybody before, and I wouldn't do that. I'm not saying anybody else would, but I'm just telling you that's how much I hate your fucking guts. If you look at Wanted, you see Legion, you see Crazies, you see Ninja Assassin. I hate your motherfucking guts. I don't give a fuck what happens to you pieces of shit. I think the only pleasure I would have is turning on the news, you know, and hearing some bad shit about you motherfuckers, because you deserve it. But, that's just hate, you know what I mean? And I don't know how to heal that hate, because what I hate is that they stole my kids, that I cannot watch them grow up. I can't be there for them. You know, I treated my children like gold, but no, I guess CPS don't see it. But, you know, everything I did for them, anything they wanted, they got it. Yeah, I spoiled my kids. They say, oh, you're being too nice to your kids. That's what these motherfuckers said on the report. They said because my kids were acting really bad when I finally saw them after them being in the foster home and everything. And the only thing I could do was apologize to them, say, I'm sorry you're upset. You know, what can I do to make you feel better? You know, they only limit so much time for me to visit my kids. You know, it's not like we're at home and we have freedom. It's these motherfuckers. My daughter's telling me when she comes in, I'm ready to eat, Mom, I'm hungry. And she can smell her food. It's hot. I'm making sure I'm getting there and the shit's hot. Well, anyway, this motherfucker, this guy, the guy who's in control of all of us says, oh, I don't think she should be eating now. She said she didn't eat lunch. She's saying in sign language, I'm hungry. I want to eat now. And this guy's like, well, let me call the foster mom to find out. And then he goes, oh, she didn't eat. Well, why would my daughter lie, for one? And that's what I hate about CPS, because they have a tendency to call people liars when they're lying themselves. And the only reason they want you to pop that motherfucking pill is because they want you to shut up about the fucking lying. Well, I got news for you motherfuckers. I'm going to talk about you bastards for the rest of my motherfucking life. And you know what? I'm going to file that goddamn lawsuit. I got to be one goddamn honest motherfucking lawyer out there. You know what? Washington State Bar Association, you listen to what people say and you don't help them. You're fucking useless. You're worthless. You should be closed down. You know, you blow smoke up people's ass, for one. You make them feel like you're going to do something and you don't do shit. You know why? Those lawyers send your ass a nice fat lunch and you're sitting up there stuffing your fucking face and you're like, I'll just let this person down and leave them alone. You guys are nothing but a bunch of fucking pieces of shit. You sit there and you string people along. You seem to not understand. Let me tell you something. I've been stuck with the most stupid motherfuckers in the whole entire world. I have never been around such dumb, stupid dumbos in my whole fucking life. But you know you're wise to getting the state's money. You're wise to sucking the money out of people. You know, you punk ass bitches with your fucking degree. Take it and shove it up your fucking ass, you know, wasting time in court talking about that bullshit. I have all my witnesses ready, motherfuckers, and you're telling me, oh, we can't do that. You know, only 3 fucking witnesses when I had 50 of them, you son of a fucking bitch. I had 50 of my motherfucking witnesses lined up, and guess what? I only got 3 of them, but yet you guys sitting up there, I got my master's degree, I got my bachelor degree. Won't you take that degree and shove it up your fucking ass, you motherfucking compulsive goddamn liars? Sitting up there lying on people, you motherfucking compulsive ass fucking liars. Too bad none of you lawyers, and I'm talking about you men out there, too bad you don't have the balls to help people in CPS and get that money in your motherfucking pocket and get rich, bitch. You don't want to do that, huh? That's right, because you know what? It'll put all those little fucking pussy-ass lawyers who are just stringing cases along, sucking money out of the fucking deficit. It'll make them lose their jobs. Why can't any of you lawyers, any of you men have big balls to get up there and help? Why can't you help people with lawsuits when they come to you and they have all the information themselves? Why can't you do it? Oh, I understand. That's right. You want to suck the money out of the government. That means you want to stick your tongue up their ass and lick it out too. That's what you punk ass bitches want to do. You know what? I do have the filthiest mouth in the world now. You know why? Because I don't give a fucking rat's ass about anything. Only thing I cared about was my kids. You took them away. You fucking seasonal goddamn kidnappers scoping for children. I am African American. They're ignoring that. And none of you motherfucking lawyers in Seattle, Washington will go to court with me and help me sue these goddamn pieces of shit to bring some national attention to these cocksucking motherfucking pieces of goddamn garbage ass trash. You don't want to do that because you'll lose millions of dollars. Matter of fact, if you would just go and help me do this, you would actually save the people out here that are taxpayers. If you start putting these stupid ass cunts on the fucking stand so I can just rip them a new asshole, you know, you won't do it. You're cowards. You're cowards and you're fucking joke. And any of you lawyers that looked at fucking Perry Mason and think you're going to do something with your life, you are just fucking ripping off the state so you can pay for your college tuition instead of helping me. None of you punk ass bitches will help. Anyway, this is my story. I hate fucking CPS. Cock, pussy, shits. Okay? Compulsive, suffers, pussies. Fucking lying sacks of shit. That's all I can think of them as. And guess what? The scam continues. I wonder how many victims are going to be victimized out there. When is the bullshit ever going to stop? When is CPS ever going to just like really leave people alone and get the fuck off their back? When is the punishments ever going to fucking end? Because that's what they do. They punish people that are not rich for wanting to have somebody to love and share their life with. So anyway, CPS motherfuckers, you won't be coming to my house anymore. You got what you wanted. You got the kids because that was your goal, was to get the kids. And they're with a nice white family. Okay? And none of you little bitch ass lawyers here in Seattle, You're fucking weak. And the news station, just ignore it. Just turn a blind eye. Just turn a blind eye. Let the other taxpayers pick up the tab, to keep paying these overpaid social fucking cunt flies who are fucking driving $40,000, $50,000 cars, who are living in their $250,000 homes.